During those Greco-Egyptian times, what you call the Pharisees and Sadducees would have been your scientists, your experts, in politics and astrotheology and all of that, shaping the minds of the masses on a spiritual level. Your Sadducees, your Pharisees would have been your sires, or today what we call your scientists. Okay, so the word sire or sigh means to cut, to split, to divide, to conquer. What am I telling you? Science was created to divide up all the spiritual systems that was connected on the earth. And it took them hundreds of years to reach up to the 1400 to do that. What am I telling you? I'm telling you, prior to the solidification of what we call science, you had natural spiritual systems with the science of creation already in them, and they was all united with the same concepts. Science came and divided everybody with these modern experts and perpetuators of chaos. How did it do it? First of all, let's look at the word. The root word psi, S-C-I, means to divide, to separate. Now, there's something you use in the office that begins with the words S-C-I, and they cut things up, they divide, they shatter things up. You can take a sheet of paper and cut it up and divide that paper up and chop it up with them, because the root word S-C-I means to divide. What do we call those? Shout out to Awakening Minds. Scissors. So the reason scissors start with S-C-I and science start with S-C-I is because the words have the same energy, which is to divide the people. Science acts like a big pair of scissors that cuts you away from the truth of creation. It cuts your consciousness away from Mother Nature. You were born to play with dirt, to pick up flowers, and to let your mind think, and you would have eventually figured out the secrets of the cosmos. But science came along and cut you away from that. They put you in a classroom and they took your children away from the trees and the water. And they put them in a classroom and made them take a test. Indoctrination. Columbus founded America, gave them a different form of knowledge and interaction with the creation. Okay? Through the text or the script. Think about what I'm telling you, right? These were the people that uprooted us from the laws of nature and gave us a synthetic paradigm to reside in. And you now interact with nature through science, meaning that when you try to figure out how things work, you go to science instead of directly to nature. The middleman in between you and the source, that's what scissors do. That's what scissors do. The scissors add space in between that which it is cutting from itself. It's separating you from the knowledge of self through your understanding of the creation, which you lack because you have a better understanding of science. Science isn't the creation. It's simply a body of information acquired by some so-called experts.